Hey there, gamers!
Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest tech reviews to help you make informed buying decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of gaming monitors with the MSI G272QPF. This bad boy promises pro-level performance without breaking the bank.
Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First up, let's talk specs.
The MSI G272QPF features a 27-inch QHD IPS flat panel, boasting a buttery smooth 170Hz refresh rate. That means your games will look silky smooth with minimal motion blur.
But it's not just about speed. This monitor also supports adaptive sync and HDR,
giving you those rich, vibrant colors that truly bring your games to life.
And with a wide gamut of color coverage,
you're getting accurate, lifelike visuals right out of the box. Navigating the OSD menu is a breeze thanks to the intuitive joystick control on the back. You've got plenty of picture modes and customization options to tailor your gaming experience to your liking.
But let's get down to brass tacks.
How does it perform in real-world gaming scenarios?
Well, I'm happy to report that the MSI G272QPF delivers the goods.
With excellent overdrive and low input lag, your movements are translated to the screen with lightning-fast precision. Whether you're playing fast-paced shooters or immersing yourself in the latest AAA titles, this monitor keeps up with the action without skipping a beat. And if you're a competitive gamer, you'll appreciate the option for backlight strobing to reduce motion blur even further. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: HDR. While the G272QPF does support HDR10 content, don't expect mind-blowing dynamic range like you'd get from a high-end OLED display. But for the price point, it's hard to complain.
Speaking of price, let's talk value.
At just price, the MSI G272QPF punches well above its weight class. It's got a solid build quality, sleek design, and all the features you need for a premium gaming experience. So, what's the verdict?
If you're in the market for a high-performance gaming monitor that won't break the bank, the MSI G272QPF is a no-brainer.
With its pro-level performance, vibrant colors, and budget-friendly price tag, it's a win-win for gamers everywhere.
Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on the latest tech gadgets. Until next time, happy gaming!